Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming another video for you guys today. It's actually the same day as when I filmed the other one. I just changed my outfit. I actually just received a parcel in the mail and I thought, while I'm already got my setup going, I might film an unboxing of a bag that was sent to me by a company, and I really like them. I've purchased a bag from them before, and they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to check out any of their new collection. I was like, of course. And while I was here, I thought I would share with you guys a few of the things that I've purchased lately that I've been really loving. It's not quite a haul. I sort of wanted to do a haul like before, but I feel like I've gotten so much stuff now over the past few weeks that it's just too much to film all at once. So, you know, I'm just going to do a bit of like a favorites and unboxing. So here we go. I'll get onto the unboxing first. This is the item here. So I've already opened it up. It's fresh from the postman, and as you can see, it is from XNIHILO. Right, what have we got here? Oh, it's actually a handwritten one. Dear June, thank you so much for your support for XNIHILO, and we are super excited to get your hands on one of our newest releases. What you have here is the Hardy crossbody bag. The new designs have been crafted carefully and inspired by our XNIHILO. It really is a true reflection of our journey, including the friendship that we have built. We hope you will enjoy your new arm candy and stay beautiful as you always are. Kindest, Jenny and Christy. Thanks guys, love it. Handwritten message always goes far, always goes a long way. XNIHILO is basically an Australian company, and it was started in 2016, and it's based in Melbourne, I think. And yeah, I really like their style. It's sort of like a minimalist vibe. I actually purchased the 8 bag from them, and they've come out with new designs lately. So this is, which one do I have? So this is the 8 bag, another silver bag or a metallic bag if you guys are interested. If you have seen my most recent video, you know what I'm talking about. And this is sort of their lookbook. That's the bag that I have. So that's that one. Alright, so here we go. Really nice sturdy box. So that is what it looks like. Gorgeous packaging. Opening it up. Here we go. Comes in a dust bag, and let's just open it up now to reveal my latest handbag. Dun-dun-dun. This is it. Let's open this up. Nice and freshly packaged. So this is the Hardy crossbody. How cool is that? The links are black, so it's like a matte black. Let me open the bag for you. It is an all leather bag. Oh. And inside, this is what it looks like. So it's a magnetic closure, nice and simple. And then inside, it's all packaged nicely. Inside is really simple. It's just black, and it's got some credit card compartments in the inside like the other one. And then it also comes with a crossbody strap, which I was like not too fussed on, to be honest. I think I really like it the way it is, not as a crossbody, because I'm really into like top handle bags lately, and I just loved the minimalist design of this. So that is what this bag looks like. Now, I don't love it with the shoulder strap. It's convenient, but I just don't think it adds too much to the bag. I just really like the simple design of it without the crossbody, so I'm just going to remove that. And I just feel like if you crossbody it and you have the chain at the front, it sort of makes it really inconvenient to open and close. And that is the bag, you guys. That is cool, right? It's edgy. I really like the simple design of it, and then I really like how you can sort of use it as a clutch, and I like the all black sort of look to it. So if you want to see how I style this baby, go and check out my Instagram. Would love to get your thoughts. But yeah, that's my second handbag from XNIHILO. It's like a sturdy leather. It's not like it's not like a box leather, but I feel like it's definitely like a calf leather. But I think it'll be quite resistant to scratches. But yeah, that is that one. So I think it'll look really cool with this outfit actually. But yeah, nah, you can't put it in a shoulder, it's way too small. Definitely a top handle or like a clutch bag like this. So that is my XNIHILO unboxing. I will put links to this in the info bar. From what I can remember, if you sign up to their newsletter, you can actually get 10% off, but they often have sales like 25% off every now and then, so I would just hang around for that. That's when I purchased my mini 8 bag, I actually had 25% off, which was a really good deal. Moving on, I just wanted to, while I was here, also share with you guys a few of the items that I've been loving. The first thing, I guess, is what I'm wearing. These earrings, they're like acetate, but they're not. They're like plastic. Like they're not like acetate as in really nice plastic. They're just like the normal plastic because they're very, very light. But they look like acetate. And I got this actually from Glassons. I've never purchased from Glassons before, but I actually picked up a few really cute items. This one I love. This was really, really cheap too. I think they were like $12.95. But I got a 20% off discount code from signing up to their newsletter, and so they came out really cheap. And yeah, they're just really easy to wear, and like they're very light, and they look really nice in my opinion. They don't stand out as much now that I have dark hair, but I still really, really like them. So that's the first thing. The second thing is you know, clear bags, clear items in general. Now obviously this is more popular in the US, the UK. They are actually going through spring, summer, and you know, clear always looks beautiful, you know, around summer, around spring. But I don't see any reason why we couldn't also sort of incorporate that trend around autumn, winter. So this one actually I purchased, or I received from Shein. I selected it and they sent it to me, and this also was sent from Shein. So if you're after a clear bag but you're not wanting to spend, you know, a lot of money on them, these are really, really cheap and affordable options. This one actually is my favorite probably. It's like a bucket style, so it reminds me of like the frick, I forgot their name, I forgot his name, but like the one who made the bucket bag with this wood handle, but it's like all leather. Something Miller, Simon Miller. So I think Simon Miller bags. Really, really loved them when I first saw them, but I am now getting over it, so I'm glad I didn't purchase it when it was really, really popular. But this has sort of the best of both worlds. It's got like that Simon Miller like bag vibe, but also it's clear. It does come with like a pouch inside, and there's also one where it's striped, which you can choose. But obviously if you put, you know, like some of your designer items, that would look really cool as well. So like a Louis Vuitton pouch or like a Chanel pouch, that would look really nice. So with clear bags, obviously you have to keep things really tidy, but yeah, it's a fun little trend that you can try. So that is all I'm carrying in a what's in my bag. If you did a what's in my bag when you clear bag, you literally just have to go, that's what's inside my bag. But yeah, two really affordable options. This one is actually cheaper than this one, and you can see the size comparison. This one fits a lot more. This one is a lot more I guess secure, because it actually closes up, and I really like the handles on this as well. So both affordable options for you guys to check out. I know a lot of people really like the clear Chanel inspired sort of bag, and that's cool too, but I prefer like that style for myself. I really like the clear totes. I think they just look really cool, but obviously the Chanel inspired clear bags is also another option. Speaking of clear, I just wanted to sort of share with you guys these shoes again. I purchased these, or I received these from Public Desire, and I absolutely love them. I also have it in the orange, which I honestly remember I thought I wouldn't love, but I've worn them more frequently than I've worn these white ones. I know a lot of people don't like the clear shoe trend. I think this is sort of like trendy. Like these particular shoes are trendy without being too like strippery. Like if you guys are picking up what I'm putting down, like I think they look cool because of like the design of them and the block heel. It looks cool without being too much in my opinion, but I really like them. If they're still available, I'll try and find links to these. Otherwise, I'll link some alternatives. Well worth the money, and they make your legs look super duper long, and that is why I love wearing these ones so much. I prefer the neon ones. I really like, honestly, I really like the orange ones, and I just can't believe I like them so much more than the white ones. I was so like upset when I got those ones to begin with, but they have been the best. Something that I just wanted to share, this headband. I, for some reason, really love headbands at the moment. I think it's because I have dark hair and it just looks like not too much, because like with black hair, it just feels really like dull and like there's not much going on, because you don't have, even if you curl it, you can't really see all like the curls because you don't have that much dimension. But I really like the look of like a black velvet headband with like black hair. I just think it looks really cool, and I've just been obsessed with this one. This one does have jewels on them. I got this one from Sports Girl on sale. It was really cheap, but I know you can get them from Zara as well, and I'm sure you can find some on eBay. So I love this. I really like this overall look, like how this is like girly and pretty, and then you're wearing like sweatshirt and like a blazer. Like it's just a mess, but like it's cool. Does that make sense? And so while we're here, I thought I would share what I'm wearing. I'm really into like hoodies right now, especially I guess because I've been studying, so everything has been about like being comfortable, being like a bit of a slob. But what I've loved pairing them with is like a blazer or something, you know, a bit like more structured, a bit more like office wear, and it's just that perfect mix of like structure and then laid back athleisure. But yeah, I really like it. Both of these are actually from H&M. I've been loving H&M lately, like honestly, just I've been going there every week or so and just picking up a little like something every now and then. But I really like this checkered blazer. It does come in a set. It comes with a pair of pants as well, which I purchased because I really like that one too, and I just love the combination of like the checkered blazer with the checkered pants. It's like a really cute suit. But yeah, this combination I don't hate. I do think that if you're layering something like a sweatshirt underneath a blazer, you have to find a thinner sweatshirt. Like this feels quite tight, just because this sweatshirt here is quite thick, but at least it feels really warm, and it doesn't feel too tight where I can't actually do anything. I still feel like I can move around, but it's like not the ideal sweatshirt to wear underneath, or this is just a little bit too small for layering. If maybe this was a size up, then it would work better. One other combination, like sweatshirt and blazer combination I've really liked is my Adidas sweatshirt. This one I just got from ASOS, and then I've got this like really drapey like blazer from Uniqlo. This one I purchased on sale. This was like $40, originally $60, and it's a very oversized blazer, and it's a really like thin light blazer, so it's perfect for layering over a really thick jumper like this one. This Adidas one is like extra large. It's not extra large, but it's like extra small actually, but it fits 2 sizes up. So I don't know, I just love this combination. I've actually worn this on Instagram, so if you want to check it out, go ahead and do that. But yeah, blazer and like hoodie combination. I know this combination has been around for a very long time, but I'm just getting into it crazy. A few more things. Just wanted to share these shoes. I'm loving them so much, and the reason why I love them so much more than when I purchased them was they're actually slingbacks that sort of look like this. But what I've been doing is I've actually like worn them as mules. So this is, I just wear this at the front. So instead of wearing it with my feet inside, I actually pull these to the front and then just wear them as mules, and I love that look, and I think it just looks so much better. I really like this detail on it. It's just a gorgeous color, and there's not much to say. These are from Zara, and they're very cute, and I think with this outfit it would look really nice. I might have to get rid of this if I wore it with this, like it's just a bit too much going on. And then finally, but certainly not the least, I just wanted to share with you guys a handbag favorite right now. I'm obsessed with this bag. This is my Louis Vuitton Noe in the GM. It's just gorgeous. I've been using it for work, and then like even after work I've been using it just as a day-to-day bag. It just fits so much, and what I love about it is it fits my laptop. So every time I go to a cafe to sort of study, I just bring this, and like even with this outfit it looks awesome. Like it just goes with everything. I'm just really sad because it is wearing out quite a lot since I've been wearing it more often, and you can see like the leather is wearing out a lot. It's cracking and drying up, and so I feel like it's time to replace the leather. But like it's not even the price of replacing the leather that bothers me. It's the fact that I won't have this beautiful patina anymore. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just like buy another pre-owned Louis Vuitton so that I can get it with the beautiful honey patina, or if I should just replace all the vachetta on here so I can have a new bag. Like in saying that, I don't want to sell this bag because like this is the original bag that I got, and I got it for such a good price. But at the same time, it's like I'm so torn because I do want it to be new, but then at the same time I don't. So I am honestly stuck. So you guys should tell me what I should do. It's just like, how cool is this bag? It's just so slouchy and vintage, and I love it so much. So yeah, you guys should let me know what I should do. But that is it from me, you guys. That is all I had to share. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun sharing a few of those favorite items with you. A bit random, I know, but hopefully you still found this helpful. I'll try and include links in the info bar if I can, and I'll try and upload this hopefully soon. Like, I don't know when I'm going to put this up, but I'm probably going to be stressing out hardcore. So you guys should go to my Instagram and send me some love. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.